Hey, welcome back to Quiet Wealth Lab. Real quick gut check. You've got $12 in your account and rent is due Friday. Yeah, I've been exactly there. So today I'm handing you 5 AAI side hustles that can turn a few spare hours into real cash. And none of them need a degree, a big following, or startup money. Stick with me all the way to number 5 because that's the one that pays out the fastest. Let's get into it. Okay, let's make this real with a 7-day sprint. Day 1, pick ONE hustle and commit, because chasing all 5 at once is exactly how you stay broke. Day 2, set up your free tools and accounts. Days 3 through 5, ship your first offer, video, or listing. Day 6, send 10 pitches or publish your listings. And Day 7, get feedback, raise your price, and repeat. Burn this into your brain, done beats perfect. Post before you feel ready. And that is your roadmap from student to solvent. So tell me, which hustle are you starting first? Drop the number 1 through 5 in the comments and I'll be right there cheering you on. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button because next video I'm building a faceless channel from 0 in 60 minutes, start to finish, nothing skipped. This is Quiet Wealth Lab. I'll see you in the next one.